In today's video, I will show you how to write blog content quickly. Writing content for your blog is an amazing way to get traffic and to make sales and to build your email list. Here on the screen, you can see the stats for just one page on just one of my websites. This page here, best survey apps to make money on my That's Hustle blog, has had over 128,000 page views since it was published. This one blog post has had many days where it's gotten over 100 visitors every single day, and it's just been going and it's still continuing to get views. So that's the power of content marketing. And I'm going to show you in this video how you can create similar blog posts very, very fast. When it comes down to creating content, you've really generally got two options. You can write your content yourself, and I'm here right now on one of our blogs, travelcroc.com, and we created a lot of this content ourselves. It takes time. The second option, of course, is to outsource your content. So pay someone else, pay another writer to write content for you. And we're doing that a lot with our Travel Croc content as well. And that costs anywhere from $15 to $20 for every 1,000 words. So many of these articles cost sort of $40 to $60 per article. So you either have to do this yourself generally, or you have to outsource. But there is actually a third way. And that's what I want to talk to you about today. I want to talk to you about this software that is called Creaite. And the link to this software is just down in the description below. It allows you to very quickly and automatically create content. And I'm just going to quickly show you a couple of articles that I have created while I've been testing this software. So I'm just going to open this one up here, how to grow muscle. And you can pause this if you want and review how this content actually looks like. Okay, so that just gives you a bit of an idea on how it looks. So that's one of them, and this was completely created by the software Creaite. Okay, so this is another one. And once again, you can pause the video and you can review this content if you want to in a bit more detail. I'm just going to paste that for you in a slightly larger font so that you can see everything and you can pause it and review it. Now, what I love about this is that it is very fast. You literally just give a couple of starting pointers to the software, to Creaite software, and it will produce the content for you. So let's just do this together. I am inside this dashboard, so you just need to click this little plus sign to create a new article. And you will need to select a few different options. So there are different article types. You've got standard, you've got Q&A, and you've got freestyle. So we'll just go with standard. Article niche, there are a few different niches that you can choose. And let's just say we want to publish an article in the health niche, then we need to choose sub niche. So let's say I want to publish an article dedicated to diets. I would choose the weight loss subcategory here. Language, okay, so you've got a number of different languages in which you can write it. I'm just going to go with English for now. And then you can choose how many articles you'd like to generate. You can allocate a folder if you want to stay organized here, of course, as well. And now what you need to do next is choose this starting prompt. For the starting prompt, what I found works really well is for you to enter perhaps 2 or 3 sentences that will kind of serve as the guideline for exactly what Creaite should then write the article about. So let's say I wanted to produce an article on the benefits of keto diet. I would then exactly start with that as a starting prompt. I would write, all right, so I've just paused it and I've written this as the starting 3 sentences. Benefits of keto diet. Keto diet can help you lose weight and become healthier. Learn how to start with a keto diet in this guide. And now we're going to click start, and Creaite will take a couple of minutes, generally sort of anywhere from 30 seconds to 2 minutes to produce this article for you. So I'm going to pause the video and then we'll come back and see what it has actually written for our starting prompt. All right, guys, so it's been a couple of minutes. I've just come back to my computer and the article has been written. So you can take a look at the results right here, and the article is actually quite good. So we can see the title, it's just taken the first sentence. So that's not a big deal. You can always come back and change the title, but look at the quality of the content that it has actually written. I'm going to pause it here so that you can actually take a look, but it's understood that I'm trying to come up with like a list of benefits. So it has put together an intro sentence. It can be hard to start your ketogenic diet. However, after the first few days, I can assure you it will be easier. And then it's actually listed all of the benefits. It's listed It helps to lose excess body weight and a little bit about that. Helps to become healthier and a bit about that. Increase energy and a bit about that. It helps to have a more balanced life, happier, healthier life. Okay, and then it's written a little bit of a conclusion here by adding some foods to your diet that will help slow down the absorption, etc. So it's actually written reasonably good content. And if you are the type of content creator who actually struggles with coming up with some ideas, you can at least base your content on this. You know, you can get this software to write a few articles for you. For example, you can just sort of let's say if you're writing a big guide on the keto diet, you can get it to write a few different ones for you and then put together from the different pieces, you can put together your own article. Perhaps you might need to edit the content a little bit because of course this is just a computer writing this content. It's not a human writing, so it can't be perfect, but it can give you an awesome start with your content. And it honestly takes just like 20 seconds of your time to write this intro, then you walk away, then you come back and your article is complete. So it's a really awesome solution. Now, the big question, of course, is will it pass Copyscape? Is this just content that's been ripped off from somewhere? So let's take a look. I'm just going to copy and paste the article that we just got. All right, I've copied and pasted. You can see that's the article. And let's go ahead, and Copyscape is the premium solution to check the plagiarism, to check for copies of the content online. So I'm going to click here, premium search, and we shall see what it's done for us here. And as you can see, it's saying no results found for the text that you pasted. So this basically means that there are no duplicate versions of this article anywhere online. It means that the content is 100% unique. So you can paste it onto your blog and incorporate it into your blog post, and you're not going to incur any penalties for stealing someone else's content or anything like that. This is all 100% unique content. So if you guys think this is going to be useful for you, this software that will allow you to very quickly and easily create blog content, to write blog posts, to write articles for your blog, or maybe even create articles for others for a certain amount of money if you want to be an author. You can click the link in the description below and you will see the link to a sales page that will look similar to this. Okay, you can see that it's a new artificially intelligent web app that writes perfectly readable content for you in any major niche in under 90 seconds. And this is unique content, of course, so it's going to be 100% unique. The page here talks, of course, about the pain of writing content. We all really need content, but no one really loves creating content, right? And outsourcing content comes with its own nightmares, which is, of course, the price. Okay, so you may be able to get a cheaper price than what Joshua, the creator of the product, says here. I currently pay about $40 to $50 for a 2,000 word article, but still, you know, there are a lot of content writers out there that are a lot more expensive than this. So that's kind of like your options here. And this is where Creaite really comes into play, this software here, because, and you can watch the demo here as well on the sales page, okay, to see sort of more examples of exactly how it works. But here on the page, you can also find examples of other articles. So you've seen the example that I've given you and some of the other examples that I've produced as I've been testing this software. But here are all the other examples that you can see right there on the sales page. And this is all you're going to have to do. Once you get Creaite, it's log into the dashboard, tell Creaite what niche you want your content in, as we did together earlier in the demo. And then you basically just take the content, you copy it. You may need to edit it, of course, before you put it onto your blog, but at least I would say that it's like 70 to 80% done. You will just need to edit it slightly as you're uploading it onto your site, perhaps add some images to it as well. This here is a list of all the niches in which you can write the content in, but I have tried quite a few different niches that weren't on the list, and they also seem to work really, really well within this content. And they also seem to work really, really well in this software. So how can you actually use this content that it produces? Well, the most obvious one is to put it onto your blog, target some good keywords, and you can rank your content for some good commissions. All right, you can rank your content and of course sell your products and services as well. So if any of you who are watching this have got your own stores or you're selling your own products, then this could help you get more traffic. You can also rank content for your clients to get them more business. So if you're involved in a service type industry or a service agency, you can do that for your customers. You can sell content writing as a service for quick cash. So for example, if you go into iWriter or Textbroker and you register as a writer, you can use this software to produce content. Once again, it does most of the work for you. You might just need to come back and edit it a little bit. So to take a look at all of these, just check the link in the description below this video to grab Create. It will be available for a one-time pricing for a limited amount of time after this video goes live. So just check the link. If you still see that it's available for a one-time price, then you can get this deal and you can use it for as long as you want to create all the content that you might possibly need. And if you want to learn more about blogging and affiliate marketing, don't forget that I've just started Caffeinated Affiliate Club, where you can start for just $1 today, where I provide you with weekly done-for-you keywords, with traffic and affiliate training, as well as coaching and mentoring. So the links for that will be in the description below as well. Thank you so much for watching. Here are a couple of videos that I recommend you watch next. Check all the links in the description below for everything that we talked about in this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not yet a subscriber by clicking this button here on the screen as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.